Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Infinity apps on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. To download and install Infinity apps on your mobile device, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Infinity app. Now in the search result, open up the Infinity apps application from Azure Interactive Games Limited and tap on the Get button or the Install button to start downloading the app. On your iOS, you may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Wait for a couple of minutes and your application should be downloaded in no time. And that's how you can successfully download and install Infinity apps on your mobile device. Now you can enjoy fast-paced multiplayer action anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.